Hi, today I'm part of Infinix Hot 20i and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. First, hold for a while your home screen with the finger and then tap on the widgets icon. After that, you'll see here all of the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, if you want to add the clock, just click here once on the widget and now it's added automatically to the home screen. If you want to move it here on the home screen, just hold it and then drag it. Also, we can move it down between the screens, just hold and drag it to the left or to the right side of your screen. By this way, you can add the widget to the new screen. You can create a new screen with a widget, and if you want to remove it, hold it and tap to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.